I stayed in this business because it's not just income or a title, but it's about impact. I've seen how one conversation can change family's future. How can one policy turn into fear to peace of mind? There's some moments where there is a doubt, rejections, exclusions, but what truly matters with me or keep going on me is the impact with the one family. Five years from now, I see myself as a one stronger leader and a mentor. And of course, I want to build my own agency to help more, giving opportunities to people, touching their lives, giving opportunities. So all Faflians, ang masasabi ko lang, never give up. Never give up with all your dreams. Kasi dito sa ProLife UK, matutupad lahat ng pangarap mo kung gagawin mo lang yung process. Maniwala ka lang, lahat magbabago ang buhay ng bagong tao. Kasi kami, nararanasan na namin. Kami na yung tunay na patotoo na talagang dito, pag nagstay ka sa business, is matutupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Magkaroon ng sariling bahay, magkaroon ng sasakyan, masusuplayan mo yung dream ng family mo. Just stay with the process and believe in yourself. Just always pray. Hello, I'm Joannes Cherninos, your top business builder of the year. As the top business builder of the year, I am someone who did not simply grow a business, but nurtured leaders, inspired action, and created opportunities for many. Through discipline, resilience, and unwavering belief in the process, I continued to build, even during the most challenging times. This journey has shown me that success in this business is not about speed, but about sustainability and teamwork. Once again, this is Joannes Cherninos. I am a 2025 Top Business Builder of the Year.
I chose to stay in ProLife UK because I saw how this business changes lives. Starting with my clients, my team, and even my own family. It gave me a direction, a sense of purpose, and a deeper relationship with my clients, knowing that this business or my work could help their family stay protected. Tinutulungan mo sila in such a way na yung future, magiging ready sila for any uncertainties. Five years from now, syempre magstay pa rin ako dito sa business kasi minahal ko na talaga yung business na meron tayo. Kasi yung business na makapag-secure ng buhay, at the same time, limitless talaga yung income na meron dito. Yung mga travel na unexpected na makukuha mo, so bakit pa tayo hindi mag-stay dito? Pero one thing na talagang naging reason kung bakit ako nagstay dito, yung mapamahal ka na rin talaga sa trabaho mo. Yung makapag-secure ka ng buhay, marinig mo yung mga kwento ng mga clients na nakakausap mo, at kapag may mga claims tayo na naibibigay natin yung promise natin sa kanila. At syempre, yung sa career naman na gusto kong marating, dahil nakikita ko yung mga mentor natin dyan, di ba? So, gusto ko magstay dahil gusto ko rin magkaroon ng sarili kong company. I want to become a CEO of my own company. To all Faflians out there, this business actually, this is not just a business it's a career talaga na matatawag mo na may purpose talaga. Yung mission na gagawin mo is to secure lives ng mga taong nakapaligid sa atin. Especially yung mga taong to na nakikita natin na alam mo na posibleng mahirapan in the future. Sa mga kasamahan natin dito sa business, so mahalin natin yung trabaho natin kasi itong trabaho natin ito, makakatulong tayo not only to secure their own lives but also the lives of their future families.
Hi Faflians, good morning to our leaders, mentors, and my fellow financial advisors. I am truly honored and grateful to be recognized as the top lifesaver of the year here in Faflia branch. Sa totoo lang po, this award is not something I work for just to win. This is something I worked for because of the purpose. Being a top lifesaver is not just about rankings or awards. It's about how many lives we touched, how many families were protected, and how many future we secured. When I started as a financial advisor, I realized one thing. Insurance is not just a product, it's a promise. A promise that no family will be left behind. How did I achieve this? Simply lang po. I showed up every day, even when it's hard. To my fellow financial advisors, especially those who are still struggling or starting out, this is what I want to share. Remember your why. Rejection does not define you, your purpose does. This award is not just mine. This belongs to my client who trusted me, my mentor who guided me. Maraming pong salamat sa recognition na ito, Percadas, my team Resilient Knights, and to whole Faflian family. Let's continue to save more lives, secure more families, and make a real difference. One policy, one family, one life at a time. Once again, this is Rafael Del Rosario, your top lifesaver of the year. Thank you.
What made you stay in the business? I stayed because I found a community that truly cares. No? A community that has a mission that is far bigger than myself. There's a different kind of fulfillment here knowing that through our work, we are making a real and lasting impact on the lives of the Filipino families we secured. Again, it is the stories of the people we help and the people that really chooses what their future will be. And one thing that really made me stay here is the people around me, the people who walk beside me, the people who journeyed during my OJT up until now, the people that made me grounded and inspired every single day. Yes? Well, probably I stayed because I found a community. Yung community na hindi ko ini-expect na mararanasan ko in a corporate way. No? There's the mission sa atin eh. Pero yung it has a bigger purpose, bigger deep, kumbaga meaning. Five years from now, I hope to be a man of even deeper purpose. Someone I never imagined that I could become when I first started here at Improve. I see myself leading my own branch, probably Reyes Life Insurance Agency. No, not just a title, but as a way to be a greater blessing to others, like how our BM showed me. And of course, yung pagiging MDRT, sana next MOA, nasa baba na ako. Kasama ko na sila UMN, yung buong team ko. Doon na kami sa standing VIP. And of course, my goal remains the same, to stay humble and continue to be quiet, honest in working and securing as many lives as I can. To those of you who are just starting out, like me, maybe with no market, very few connections, pero may malaking puso talaga sa yung submission na ginagawa natin. Please know that you are enough. Success here doesn't start with being ready or having it all figured out. It starts with a simple decision to say yes to your manager, and the process that goes around it. You don't need to be prepared to start because as long as you have the heart to serve, this community will make you sure, equipped, and succeed. They say every journey begins with a step, but mine began with a prayer. I walked in as an OJT student looking for a experience, but I found a calling instead. I realized God didn't just lead me here to build a career. He led me here to find a heart for His people. We are here to help others build better lives. When we give our best to this mission, God gives the work its purpose. May this be a reminder that when we offer our small beginnings to Him, He turns them into something truly meaningful. Again, my name is Rabir Reyes, your 2025 AFLIA Rookie of the Year. I am only an instrument. This honor is not a reflection of my strength, but of God's grace. To Him all be the glory.
What made me stay in this business is the time flexibility and the culture. Bonus na lang talaga yung income. Pero ang totoo, nakita ko kasi yung potential. Kaya nagsipag ako, nagtiwala sa proseso at ginawa ko yung tama. Hindi siya madali actually, pero sulit dito. Dito ko nakita yung possible pala ang growth, hindi lang financially, kundi bilang isang tao at bilang isang leader. 5 years from now, I see myself with ProLife UK pa din. At masarap siguro pakinggan na tinatawag na akong Hi BM Liz. Yun yung mga tinatawag ko ng mga team ko, tsaka mga ka-unit managers. Actually, hindi lang naman title yung goal ko, kundi yung maging instrumento para mas marami pa yung mga buhay na matulungan ko at mas marami pang pangarap ang matupad ang mga kasama ko. Sa lahat ng PAFLIANs, kung may pangarap ka, stay here in ProLife UK. Bakit? Kasi staying here in ProLife UK gives a big chance na matupad ang mga pangarap na yan. New house, new car, travel, magandang income, financial freedom, time flexibility, which is yan ang reason ko. Work from home, diba? Hawak mo yung oras mo. At isa pa, pinakamaganda, dito, pwede kang magnegosyo, pwede kang maging CEO. Peace of mind din, meron din dito. At of course, di ba, walang extreme stress. Lahat yan posible dito kay ProLife UK. Kung ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay number 1, isulat ang pangarap, maging specific sa goal, at gawin action araw-araw. At hindi mo to namamalayan, isa-isa na natin ito natutupad ang mga pangarap natin. Kaya to all PAFLIANs, huwag tayong susuko kasi dito kay ProLife UK natutupad ang pangarap natin. Good morning everyone! My name is Lizelle Ann Alcantara. Being recognized as Branch Top Producer of the Year is truly an honor. Para sa akin, hindi lang ito tungkol sa numbers or sales. It represents consistency, dedication, and a genuine heart for the people we serve. I show up every single day. I remain consistent, stay focused on the goal, and continue moving forward even when the journey is challenging. This recognition reminds me na kapag may puso ka sa ginagawa mo, kapag hindi ka sumusuko agad-agad, at kapag totoo ang layunin mo, success will always follow. In our business, success does not come from shortcuts or overnight wins. consistency and perseverance are the true game changers that turn small daily efforts into long-term victories. Once again, this is your top producer of the year, Lizelle Ann Alcantara. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Ang pagiging isang leader ay hindi lang tungkol sa titles or results. It's about leading with heart, purpose, and genuine care for people. Someone who puts people first while guiding them toward a shared purpose. I love working with people na may pangarap, may drive, at handang matuto at mag-grow sa bawat pagkakataon. As a leader, handa akong ibigay ang oras ko at buong commitment ko to help, guide, and support my team every step of the way. Naniniwala ako na kapag sabay-sabay tayong mangarap, nagtutulungan at hindi sumusuko, mas malayo ang mararating natin. This recognition is a shared victory with my teamwork. For true leadership is never about standing above others, but about lifting one another as we move forward together. Once again, this is your top unit manager of the year, UM Liz. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Sorry. Bonus na lang talaga yung high income. Sorry na. Nalalabuan talaga.
Committed. And of course, ulit na natin.
Pero ang ganda na sinabi mo, Frenny.
Hindi ako gumagalaw, be. Sige ngayon, bumamalik ako.
Ulitin ulit si number 1.
Oo, pero ito last na to. Totoong-totoo na to. Ay, ba hindi question?
How do you sell a... Last one, sorry. Of a even deeper purpose. A man of... Parang isa pa po.
Kung bakit ako nag-stay. Kuy, Joe, ano?